feel the water here. You know what? Yeah. Yeah, because of this. There is no mud guard here. So the water goes in here. Yeah, see you later, mate. Hey guys, good afternoon. Right now I'm here in Salamander Bay Shopping Center. Yeah, I'm actually waiting for my telephone to be fixed. I have it there in the bling on the bay. Yeah, a mobile phone accessory shop, and they also do repair. It costs $69. I hope it's going to be work fine up there. And my bike is there. I'm staying here because I don't want my bike to be stolen, because you know the bike of my colleague, of the Filipino guy in our kitchen, was stolen 2 weeks ago in this shopping center. Yeah, so I'm now cautious about that. Yeah, but in general, in the overall place is still very safe. You can leave the things anywhere and safe. It just that happened to him, you know. We never know. A while ago, while walking inside, I met Mr. Spencer and the family, and they are encouraging me to, you know, to have friends, to have friends in this area and to join them for their invitation, because you know they always invite me for like a picnic, something like that, but I'm shy, mate. Yeah, my hair is already long. I need an haircut. And at the moment I'm here in the, I don't know if this is a barber shop or a parlor, but yeah, it's basically yeah, anyone can come here to have haircut. There is no specific that one for lady or for men. Yeah, they do haircut for any gender. Yeah, but you know I am shy to have my haircut here because you know the ladies that going to cut the hair is very beautiful, very shy, mate. So yeah, this is basically the one that is, they changed it with this. Now it's working properly. Yeah, look at this Xbox One, $249, 500 GB. But I don't know how to play games. The time now is maybe 7 o'clock, 7:30. No, not yet 7:30. I can see that a lot of people are putting their bottles in this return and earn booth. Yeah. Shit, there's no power. No power. I need to push. Yeah. But look at the view. It's really nice. Amazing. Hey guys, good afternoon. It is now 1:19 in the afternoon. Yeah. I'm just listening to music, and I just uploaded a video. Yeah, thank you very much for all your comments. I really appreciate that. Yeah, some of you knows my stories, knows my situation, but actually some I need to explain in the upcoming video about the financial thing. I'm good, thank you. Yeah, looks, the weather outside is good now, but actually this morning, wait, this is kind of noisy. Yeah, but this morning I wake up with the rain, and then it stop, and then rain again, and then it stop. So it's maybe around 9 times that rain comes and out. Yeah, now it's good. I think it is going to continue until the coming days. Look, I'm going to read some of the comments here.
regarding this financial situation. Most of the Filipinos, they are working abroad and they send all money to their family in the Philippines.
Yeah, look at this guy. I thought it's not going to rain, but again, it looks like going to rain. When I left the house, the sky was clear and blue like that. Yeah, I was looking in the Google map a while ago, and I learned this is not a sea. Yeah, this is just a river, a very big river going to the other side. The name is Karua. Yeah, Karua River between Nelson Bay and Tea Garden. I remember that one of my colleague when I was working in Dubai. Yeah, he said that there is no sea in Nepal. They have just a big river. Hey, look at my bike. It fell down here. Yeah, I hope it's good. Yeah, look at this view. Amazing. I'm actually making a picture, a video here with my telephone. Yeah, and this is how it is. Very beautiful. Yeah, it is not windy and the water is very calm like that. At the moment, there are people that are fishing there. Yeah, dating, and the family that are there. Yeah, nice. Yeah, and there are more people coming. Yeah. So yeah, I've been to the other side already, and it was really, there is really a strong wind on that side because that side is already the sea, and this is just a river, a big, long river. Yeah. And today, I just want to make a comment. I mean, a reaction to the previous video that I uploaded about the emergency money. Yeah, so basically this is how it works, and this is what happens. So basically I have a bank account here in Australia, and with that bank I have like I'm using my mobile phone, an app for that bank account. So basically I have an account that is for my daily needs. Let's say that that is a smart access account. So that one is where my salary go, where my salary goes in. Yeah, so that is what I am using for daily transaction, like buying something, or maybe grocery, coffee shop, something like that. And then with that bank account there is also another one, the goal saver. And that goal saver is basically like savings. The purpose is to save, and both of those can be accessed by a mobile phone, by app. And yeah, so basically what you can do is you can transfer money from your smart access to your goal saver, or on the other side, goal saver to smart access. And the thing is, my purpose is to save money for the future, for my plan. And so what I do is that I keep on saving on my goal saver. And that goal saver, I always see that in my mobile phone, how much do I have now. Yeah, I also set up a weekly money transfer to my goal saver, automatic transfer. So yeah, that's basically how it works. So but I keep on seeing the goal saver, the money on my goal saver. So I went to the bank and I asked them to remove the goal saver in my app, and that's what they do. So what happened now is I don't have any more access to that goal saver account, and I can only access that by going to the bank. So yeah, that is what happened. So basically what I do is that when my salary comes, big part of that goes to my goal saver account, and another part will go for my smart access, which is my for my daily needs, for something to send to the family. and yeah, basically for money for my daily needs. And what happened is that in these previous weeks, I sent big amount of money to the Philippines, and then another people borrowed money, which is a good friend, a reliable friend. For sure, he is going to pay. And yeah, that's why I ran out of money and that week. So yeah, and yeah, that's how it happens. And yeah, that money that I am saving is for the best purpose. I have big purpose for that savings that I am doing now. So as much as possible, I do want to touch that, and even for emergency, because I have this another alternatives that I can use, which is the credit card and borrowing money from the good friend. Yeah, that is my other alternatives, and those alternative is not going to affect me so much because I have a weekly salary that I can use and manage to satisfy the life. Yeah, and I really want to thank you for the comments, suggestion, opinion. Yeah, thank you for that. Yeah, I really appreciate it.